I'm going to teach you how to back up OneDrive, a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the process to ensure your files are stored safely and securely. Backing up your OneDrive is crucial for data protection, especially if you rely heavily on cloud storage for your important documents, photos, and other files. Let's get started. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is ensure that OneDrive is synced on your computer. This step is vital because it guarantees that all your latest files are ready to be backed up. So, open the OneDrive application on your computer and check that the synchronization is complete. You can usually tell by looking for a green check mark, which indicates that everything is up to date. Next, you'll want to prepare your external hard drive. Connect it to your computer using a USB cable and double check that your PC recognizes it. You can do this by opening File Explorer and ensuring your external drive shows up among the list of drives. This will be the destination where we'll copy our OneDrive files for safekeeping. Now navigate to the actual OneDrive folder on your computer. This is typically found at c/users/your name/OneDrive. Simply open your File Explorer and follow this path to get there. Once you're in the OneDrive folder, select it by right-clicking and choosing the copy option from the menu. This will copy everything inside the folder to your clipboard, ready to be moved elsewhere. With OneDrive files copied, navigate to your external hard drive in File Explorer. Once you're there, right-click anywhere inside the drive and select Paste. This action begins the backup process, transferring the contents of your OneDrive to the external drive. Depending on the size of your OneDrive files, this could take a while, so be patient. It's worth noting some important points about this process. A significant advantage is how straightforward it is. You don't need any third-party apps or special tools, just your computer and the external hard drive. However, remember that because this is a manual process, you will need to repeat these steps whenever you want to update the backup. Also, larger files might take a bit longer to transfer, so ensure you have sufficient time set aside for the backup. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully backed up your OneDrive to an external hard drive. Regularly backing up your files not only protects you from potential data loss, but also provides peace of mind.